Hi there! Today's video is about the excavation and restoration of the Soviet KV-1S heavy tank. Until the mid-2000s, it was believed that, except for the experimental object 238 from Kubinka, KV-1S tanks were not preserved. But in the middle of 2006, a KV-1S tank was found in the forest, destroyed by an explosion. KV-1S is a Soviet heavy tank of the World War II period. The 1S index means a high-speed modification of the first model. This combat vehicle was developed in the USSR in the Design Bureau of the Chelyabinsk Tractor Factory in summer 1942, after the complaints of the Red Army commanders about the low mobility and reliability of the original KV-1 tank. In order to shed the total weight of the tank, its size was slightly altered and the armor was reduced. As a result, the average and maximum speeds of the tank increased. A new gearbox and improvements in engine cooling enhanced speed and also increased the overall reliability of the vehicle. Compared to the KV-1, the armament remained the same, but the effectiveness increased. The tank commander's place got a cast turret which provided all-around view of the battlefield. To date, not a single tank of this type has survived. All of them were lost in the World War II battles. Therefore, finding such a tank in the forest was a significant event for a search group. This tank was released in January 1943 in Chelyabinsk, serial number 3018. The tank belonged to the 33rd Guard Tank Regiment. In March 1943, the tank was lost in a battle in the area of the Carbusel Tract. After the war, some small parts of the tank were scrapped, but the main elements were in place, damaged by an internal explosion. The tank was removed from the swampy area and sent to the Nevsky shipyard for restoration. A lot of restoration work was carried out during the year. And in January 2007, the tank took its place at the Leningrad Blockade Breakthrough Diorama Museum in St. Petersburg. Well, that's all for today. Thank you all so much for watching. Subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell not to miss new videos.